Welcome to another episode of Keto Chronicles, where I vlog about my keto journey. All right. Yesterday was, y'all, I need to power wash this crap. Yesterday was such a bad day. I was even considering taking it down this morning because I just felt so ashamed of my feelings and all of that, but I'm not going to because people go through that, you know? But I did say I would post on a good day, and today has been a good day so far. Woke up super early, didn't care, just knew it was going to be a good day. I was going to go to H-E-B, but I'm bringing my dog with me to the parents' house because I go every weekend to play Dominion. And it's just too hot, and I can't leave the dog in the car for 5 minutes. No. And y'all, aside from the fact that I have no grass, once again, I ordered grass from the lawn people, but it's just in back order, okay? So leaving that out, and the awful fence back here, but we won't get into that. Y'all, this cat tent has been so fantastic. She loves it. Now my other one hates it. She just loves it. Of course, she's cleaning herself. And then also my lawn men were here last week, and not within 3 hours this dang branch fell. I mean, coincidence. Speaking of HEB, so when I went there last time, because all last week, because I had that horrendous cheat weekend, right? And I was like, okay, focus. I'm just going to eat nothing but those sandwiches that I made, those fantastic keto sandwiches. And so I had gone to HEB to buy like 3 packages of those things because they come in a package of 6, but technically that's 3 sandwiches, right? So I go there and I had completely forgotten. And by the time that I got there, I realized they were $7 a piece. $7. And on top of that, I get the boar's head chicken. So, I mean, that's an expensive sandwich. But I tell you what, it worked because I lost 4 pounds in 4 days just eating those sandwiches. Matter of fact, I had 1.5 sandwiches for breakfast or brunch and then 1.5 for dinner. And that's all I had, plus a couple of those chips that I was telling y'all about that are really bad because they have, like, their main thing is tapioca flour in there. Which will spike your blood sugar, which is bad, you know, and the maltodextrin on the bottom. Now it's on the bottom, so it's not really that much in there, but still, and when I started eating those things, I was noticing that my weight was stalling, but that could have just been from other things. I don't know. But anyway, I was eating those chips along with those sandwiches, and I lost 4 pounds in 4 days, so I don't know. I'm definitely going to do the dirty keto thing because, you know, I was super strict a long time ago. Well, a few years ago. It's long to me. I had several restarting strict keto series because I would go off to vacation or I'd take a month off and then I'd go to restarting. And I'd be on it for like 3 months. Like there was this vlog that I did for like an entire 3 months. I was doing it daily, then it went to like every few days or so just because daily became too much. It's really good, by the way. You should check it out. If you're just absolutely super strict and don't want to do dirty keto, watch it. But anyway, I lost a lot of weight on there. Matter of fact, I got so low that I was back down to like my high school weight, which was fantastic. But then I got there and I couldn't keep it there. Like apparently my body will just really not go below 175. If I like, and that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So I'm fine with that. Anyway, I gotta go to the parents' house. You know what else I thought of? I need to do more chaffles. Because I made this really good Big Mac chaffle and it tasted just like it. Thinking of getting the ingredients for that. I'll probably do that tomorrow when I don't have the dog. Yeah. Y'all, she goes nuts. Grandma, Grandpa's? Oh, bye. All right, I'm back from my parents' house. Ooh, I look a fright. I don't care. Yeah, I do. But I was thinking that I really need to stay focused and be on keto because whenever I cheat, okay, helicopter. Whenever I cheat, I feel those pins and needles that I was talking about yesterday in my legs more. So my thing is, since I'm pretty much going into maintenance mode, I can't really do like the super cheat weekend thing that I did, or really anything too terrible, because I really feel that pins and needles in my legs. Anyway, I think that's about it for today. Thanks for liking and subscribing. See you guys next time.